In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
I need Rayan. Find me letter Seen in this letter. In the second line, Rayan is going to find me letter Sheen. Okay, go ahead, Rayan. You can start working. And Isa has to find me letter Law. Okay, come on. You can circle it or you can underline it. Let's go. And then you have to find me letter Sheen also. Okay, sometimes there can be two letters.
I already see a door.
Okay, then come on, then go circle it or highlight it, whatever you like. Okay, and I need to assign one more line. Okay, come on. Yes, very nice. Rayan found his first scene. Good job, Rayan. Very nice. That's the scene. Go ahead, Rayan. Start working on your next line, your next red area. Okay.
Did I do it too?
Oh, yes. Good job, Rayan. You found your letter. Here is your letter, the. Good job. Okay, go ahead. Keep finding your next one. Okay, excellent. Find your letter Sheen. Find letter Sheen. Okay.
What am I supposed to find again? Wait.
So so this is your blue line. You're supposed to find the and the Sheen. Okay, good job.
Oh wait, I think I found the Sheen.
Quickly find the Sheen. Then I will be
so easy. So easy. Right over here.
Find it. Okay, now I'm going to take your
found it.
Okay,
Found
it. Okay, good job. Now everybody, now my turn.
Rabia, I'm done.
You're done? Good job. Okay.
I'm done too.
Okay, now I say something. Now Rayan did a very good job when he found this scene. Okay, and he found the scene right here. Let me show it. He found the scene right here. Good job, Rayan. Very nice. Some stars for you people over there. Okay, I'm going to give you some stars. Okay, and you can't write anymore because I took your thing. Okay, star, 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 star. Good job. That's a scene. And how about Isa? Star, star, star. Good job. You found your the. Hey, but I'm not going to. Oh, okay. Another Sheen. Star, star, star. You found a Sheen. Uh-oh, but there's one little problem with this one. Uh-oh. So now we know something new. This is not Sheen. I'm going to take it out. This is Sheen. Good job. What's the difference? See, it's 1, 2, 3, many hooks. The Sheen has many hooks. Hey, but this one does not have many hooks. This one has only one hook. If it has only one hook, guess what? It's not letter Seen. It is letter, which letter? It is letter Tha. Remember the letter Tha? Alif, Ba, Ta. So it Alif, and then you have Ba, and then you have letter Ta, and then you have letter Tha. Okay, so letter Tha will next time also confuse you people, Rayan and Isa, but now it won't because now you know. If it's just one hook, big or small, it is letter Tha. Okay, good job. So now we know that this one is okay. So very important that letter we don't need letter Tha, we need letter Sheen. So good job. Okay, now let's go see. There was a little tiny improvement in Isa's work also. So Isa, you have marked this area for Sheen, but Isa, I don't see a Sheen over here. There might be hooks, but there is no Sheen over here. For the Sheen, I need 3 dots.